Hello, Manakam. Thanks, media, for coming and giving your time. Um, the moment I got to know that they wanted me to come and do the store opening, I was actually very happy because in the beginning, as I said, I have been associated with Max, not like business-wise, but I have been shopping in Max and it just feels home. I was telling Sir that in Pune also, it's so sweet. In Pune also, whenever we used to go like, okay, we have to shop for Diwali or just like, if you want to go randomly shopping, Max is the first store that always comes to mind. So Max has been integrated in all our lives so much that it's just like a part of home, as Sir was also saying. And so thank you so much for inviting me, and it feels really special. Yeah, thank you. I think firstly it's very rooted and cultured. They really love to be, be comfortable in what they wear. It never comes with like a price tag or a brand, but it's always with what they believe in and what their culture really is. So I think if anybody has to experience Chennai's fashion, it comes from like culture and what they are comfortable with. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. What makes difference is also apart with other brands? You, sir.
So this store is our new identity store, as we call it, new ID store. The look and feel of this store is very different. What we have done is we've been opening stores for many years, and we realize that over a period of time the consumer is changing around us. What they seek from a store like us is also changing. How they want to shop, how they want to use this space. And hence, keeping all that in mind and becoming more modern and more contemporary is how we decided to change the look and feel of this store. This is the first store in Tamil Nadu which is like this. There are two more stores in Bangalore which are also like this. Our ambition is to have all our stores look and feel like this.
This is your 34th store in Tamil Nadu, right? So how many stores you are planning in the next 1 year? Even in smaller cities?
So in Tamil Nadu itself, we plan to open about 8 to 10 stores next year. Both in Chennai and outside Chennai and Tamil Nadu also. And nationally, we'll open between 40 to 50 stores next year.
So in Tamil Nadu, apart from Chennai, any other cities you are looking at?
Yes, we are. We are opening in Trichy, we are opening in Europe.
In Tamil Nadu, this is the 71st store of Tamil Nadu. For Chennai, this is 44th store. And we have all the markets, Coimbatore, Trichy, Madurai, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Nagarkoil, across we have stores. And we are planning to take up to 100 stores in Tamil Nadu in the next 2 years.
Hi sir. So what Max is doing differently to stand out in the competitive fashion culture?
So I think there are two parts, right? Because it's very easy to compete on price because you can just keep lowering the price. But we all know as you lower the price, the quality also goes down. So we don't believe in that. We want to give a good price, a fair price, but at the same time, the product has to be excellent. And that's really been our endeavor to make sure that we never ever compromise on the product, because that is what you take home and that is what you wear, and when you wear and you get compliments, that's what makes our life special, right? So hence, about the product fashion and the product quality, both need to be extremely high. And that is what we've been doing. At the same time, make sure that the price is right, price is fair.
Thank you.
Here in the Lakme Fashion Week, how is going?
Lakme Fashion Week.
How is going?
So we are participating in Lakme India Fashion Week. In fact, last year also we participated. On Sunday, day after tomorrow, we have a show. We are super excited, super excited, because there are very few brands in the country who walk, probably one of the best brands in the country. And all our three brand ambassadors will be there walking tomorrow. Kalki, Siddhant and Alaya, all three of them will be there on the ramp, and we are very excited about the new line that we're launching there, which will be in the stores in the month of April. So watch out for that.
competition would be the Gen Z kids. Is that your main key target, or how do you see?
So our core proposition has been fashion Gen Zer or a millennial or somebody like me. You should be able to find clothes and fashion in our store, and that is what our endeavor is. But Gen Z is an important component because more and more of them are coming into working life. They have a life of their own. They have monies to spend. So yes, we are changing, and in fact, a lot of product that you see today, including how the store looks, is keeping that in mind as well. So yes, they are significant, but not the only portion of our work.
Which will be the maximum percentage contributing in the customer base?
It's difficult to say, but probably the core consumer is probably between a 25 to a 35 family, okay, who has one kid or two kids. Probably that's the core consumer, because one of the things that has been consistent with us for the last 20 years now is our kids range, and the consumers really love the kids range. So that always helps, you know, in terms of the whole family coming together and shopping together. So not only they buy for the kids, but then the woman and the man also find clothes for themselves.
So how this new identity is going to increase your customer base, or how do you see it?
So like I said before, this identity is making the store more contemporary, more fashionable, more young, right? More with it in time. Because the earlier identity we did was almost 10, 12 years back. And of course, with everything must evolve. We as individuals are also evolving, as consumers are also evolving. So we need to keep pace sometimes, or maybe sometimes go one step ahead than the consumer. And I think this is the endeavor towards that, making sure that we are in line with the consumer and maybe taking one step ahead than the consumer.
So you are planning to follow this new identity in your upcoming store?
Yes. There are 3 stores currently in the country which are like this. And every new store that we open here on will be this new ID, including many old stores we will convert to this new ID.
மூவிஸில் நீங்கள் நடிக்கிற படத்துலலாம் வந்து மேட்ச்சில் இருக்கிற காஸ்டியூம்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்களா?
I guess yes, probably because the lineup that we have.
ட்ரெடிஷ்னலாக யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்களா இல்லை என்ன மாதிரியான
Sorry, I didn't hear.
என்ன மாதிரியான காஸ்டியூம்ஸை நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க மூவிக்கு மேட்ச்சில் இருந்து?
I didn't understand. I'm more inclined to traditionals, so I think traditionals, and then maybe like the easy breezy outfits, which is like t-shirts and like loose pants. That's more of my way. And for the films also, traditionals.
ப்ராஜெக்டை பற்றி என்ன சொல்லணும் அப்கமிங் மூவிஸ்?
Upcoming films. So in Telugu, I am doing Paradise with Nazar sir, and one is in Malayalam with Tovino, which is Palli Chettimbi, which will be releasing in April 9. And one more with Dulquer sir, which is I Am Game in Malayalam. And in Tamil, it's Idhanoli.
வந்து 21 இயர்ஸ் நடக்குது. ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க? 21 இயர்ஸ் வந்து இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்கு வந்திருக்காங்க ஒரு ஹீரோயின். ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க?
She's senior to me, like congratulations to her, and I really look up to her because like being 21 years in the industry is not easy. She has really made her mark. So I really look up to her, and she has made the path for us also. So congratulations, ma'am.